Investorlift sold $3.7 billion of real estate last year. And we just bet the entire future of not just our company, but our industry on AI.
Yeah, I don't know. It was a little bit embarrassing.
Your call has been.
I mean, we worked it for a couple hours, but it was just crickets.
Right there.
Who wants to talk to me?
They were saying that they wanted to cancel their account.
Why would they want to do that just because of this?
Today is a day that I've been looking forward to for almost a decade. You see, for most people, once in a lifetime, they have the opportunity to work on something that truly changes the world. Now, Investorlift, I'm proud to say that our team hasn't just worked on one of these projects, but we worked on project after project after project. And while we've been doing this, we've been preparing ourselves for the greatest and most monumental shift in human history. And over the last few years, we built the first data set that is big enough to train real artificial intelligence. This is a real neural network with billions of edges. It knows everything that has ever happened throughout the entire history of our company, unlocking and unleashing artificial intelligence in our industry for the very first time. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the future of real estate investing.
Oh, you got inbounds. Yeah, it's starting to hit. Yeah, it's starting to hit.
595.
595. Okay. Hell yeah.
Okay, we were under contract at 510, pushed it out 560. AI blast. First offer 595. Let's fucking go!
Push for what?
610.
610, we can get the house.
Yes, sir, it's yours.
610, we pull the trigger and go for it.
All right, brother.
$100,000 on the first AI blast. That was the first time I've ever used it myself. People have been calling me all week.
Much more special.
To all you guys that are selling fake AI, good luck. You are so Bryce, I'm just with you. We made $100,000 on 5 phone calls.
God damn it, dude. I thought you were going to fire me.
I've never seen it happen like that before. It's the best thing out right now. 1,000%. 5 calls.
5 calls it took you to sell the deal with AI.
Yes.
Have you ever done that before, sold a deal in 5 calls?
Never.
Never.
That was the first desktop deal I've
O açúcar, eu vou agora, é o açúcar.